Respected teachers and my dear friends, good morning to one and all. This is T. Lokshit Royal. I am pursuing 6th grade at Lokshit Tutorial. Now I want to present an interesting seminar in front of great people like you. Now I will say the complete seminar regarding the rain. Where does it come from? Before starting this seminar, I want to ask a simple question to you. You will answer the question? Okay. The question what means? Rain. Where does it come from? Before thinking about this, rain and clouds, first we have to know something about the water. On our earth, water exists in three forms. They are solid form, liquid form, gaseous form. Solid form. The solid form of water is ice. Example, ice. Liquid form. If we heat the ice, we will get the liquid. Example, water. Gaseous form. The gaseous form, if we heat the water, we will get the gaseous form. Example, water vapor. Now you understood the three forms of water? I think you may be understood. Now I will explain some about the water. You maybe have a doubt. If the water present in the wet cloths, what happens after kept in the sunlight? What happened you think? The water which present in the wet cloths, for example, if we take a bowl of water and heat it using a stove, after few minutes the water evaporates. By the same way, the water evaporates from the wet cloths and mixes in the air and go to the sky. This is the same way of this water. The process of making the water into water vapor is known as evaporation. Evaporation is the process that done by the nature naturally. When the evaporation occurs, the water evaporates from the seas, oceans, rivers, ponds, lakes, etc. Now we will discuss some about the condensation. What do you mean by condensation? Condensation is nothing but the process of water vapor changing again into water or ice changing again into water. Do you understood? Now we will discuss about the one activity with condensation. Okay? We will start the activity. The activity what means? Take a glass of water. Take some water into it and add to it few ice cubes. After some time you observe the glass. What happens? Few small drops will form at the outer surface of the glass. Why do these droplets form? These droplets form due to the cold of the water which present in the ice cubes. After the ice cubes melting, where do this water goes? For cooling, this water goes into the outer surface. Do you understood? Yes, I think you may be understood. Now we will discuss about the water cycle. What is water cycle? This water cycle we will say in Telugu as Neeti Chakram. First I will explain you in the English. First, from the seas, oceans, rivers, the water evaporates and when the cool air touches, it again mixes into the water and it forms the clouds for cooling and the cloud can't bear the water and it lose the water by the form of rain. Do you understood in English? If you may not understood in English, now I will explain you in Telugu. Okay? First, నీళ్ళు సీ నుంచి, సముద్రం నుంచి, నది నుంచి అంతా ఆవిరిలా వెళ్ళి అక్కడి నుంచి నీటిలా ప్రవహించి అప్పుడు మేఘాల్ని ఫామ్ చేస్తుంది. అప్పుడు ఆ మేఘాలు ఆ నీటి బరువును మోయలేక వర్షం రూపంలో కిందికి పంపిస్తుంది. ఇది నీటి చక్రం. దిస్ ఈజ్ వాటర్ సైకిల్. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ స్పెండింగ్ యువర్ valuable time for watching my video. Stay home, stay safe.